Hello children, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting piece of chapter of your English book. And before discussing the chapter, I want to ask you a question. How can we write a sentence with? Yes, we write a sentence with the subject or object. The fact decides whether a sentence is in active or passive. So today we are going to discuss about the passive. Before going to discuss about the passive, we will come to know what is voice. Voice is the form of verb that shows what the subject does or what is done to the subject. What is done to the subject. From the definition, it has been clear that voices are of two kinds. One is active voice and the second one is passive voice. Now we are going to discuss about the active voice and passive voice with example. Active voice. Active voice is the form of verb that shows or indicates what the subject does. Subject does. Or what the subject has done. We will take an example. Madhavi wrote a letter. Then we will discuss about passive. Passive voice. Passive voice is the form of verb that shows or indicates what is done to the subject or what has been done to the subject. Now we will take an example of the same sentence. Here, Madhav is the subject, wrote is the verb, and a letter is the object. When we change the sentence into passive, we will write a letter was written by Madhavi, because the sentence belongs to simple past. Let us discuss the sentence. Madhavi wrote a letter. In this sentence, subject has importance Madhavi, and that's why the sentence belongs to active voice. Whereas a letter was written by Madhavi is in passive voice because the sentence begins with the object. And in this sentence, object has importance and that's why the sentence belongs to passive voice. When we change a sentence from active voice to passive voice begins with an object. Now we are going to discuss about how to find out object in a sentence. First sentence, my friend gives me a book. Here, my friend is the subject and gives is the verb. And after the lexical verb, by using who or whom or what, we will get object. We will make a question right now. My friend gives who or oblique whom a book. Okay? So the answer by using who or whom here, we will get me. So me is an object here. So object of the sentence in this sentence is me. Now we will make another question. My friend gives me what? By using what, we will get the answer a book. So in this sentence, a book is another object. So me is an object and a book is another object as well. Next, we called him a liar. Find out the object from the sentence. Yes, we called whom a liar? The answer is him. So him is an object. Next, I have written an essay today. Find out the object from this sentence. Very good. I have written what today? The answer is an essay. So an essay is an object in this sentence. Children, as you know tenses, we will change its voice accordingly. First, we will discuss simple present or present simple. And the passive pattern of the tense present simple. Passive pattern. The passive pattern is object followed by either am, is or are, then V3 followed by other words, then by agent. Now we will change from active voice to passive voice in present simple tense. And we have already discussed the passive pattern of present simple tense. So accordingly, Padma sings a song. In this sentence, a song is the object. After the lexical verb, by using what, we will get its answer a song. So a song is an object. When we change from active voice to passive voice, the passive voice begins with an object, so the sentence begins with a song. And after the object, either am, is or are, then we will use here is. Because it is third person singular number. And it is the lexical verb sings. The third form of the verb is sung. Because it is V3. And in this sentence, there is no other words. So, no other words will be used in this sentence. Then by agent, so subject is Padma. So, by Padma. In this pattern, we can change its voice from active voice to passive voice. Dear children, you change the voice by yourself. My father uses cotton clothes in summer. Find out the object of the sentence. Very good. Cotton clothes is the object of the sentence. So accordingly, we will change its voice. Accordingly, the pattern of the present simple of passive patterns. Yes. So here object means cotton clothes. Cotton clothes is the plural. So here what we will use? Very good. Are. Which one is the verb of the sentence? Use. So what is its third form? Very good. Used. And here used by other words. So which words is the other word of the sentence? Very good. In summer. And you see, my father is the subject of the active voice. Now we will use its by agent. So which is the by agent? My father. By my father. Now change the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Accordingly, the passive pattern of present simple tense. My father uses cotton clothes in summer. Find out the object of the sentence. Very good. Cotton clothes. By using what after the lexical verb uses, we will get cotton clothes. So change its voice right now. Passive. Cotton clothes. Which verb is used? Either am or is or are? Yes, are is used because it is plural. Then what is the verb of the sentence? Use. What is its third form? Used. Very good. Then we will use used here. Cotton clothes are used. Then we will use other words. So which one is the other words in this sentence? Very good. In summer. And in summer, we will use by agent. And in the sentence, my father is the subject. So we will use what? Very good. By my father. So in this manner, we can change from active voice to passive voice. Let us learn how to change from active voice to passive voice in present progressive tense. And you see the passive pattern of present progressive tense. Here object followed by am, is, are, then followed by being, then V3 followed by other words, then by agent. Now we will learn how to change its voice for this sentence. My sister is painting a picture. You see, this sentence belongs to present progressive. Why? Very good, because it is followed by is and is followed by ing form with the verb. So it is in the present progressive tense. Now we will change its voice. My sister is painting a picture. So which one is the object in the sentence? Very good. A picture is the object. Now we will change its voice accordingly. A picture. Here object followed by either am, is, are. So here is used because it is third person singular number. Very good. Then what you will use? Very good. Being. Then being followed by what? V3. So which one is the verb here? Paint. What is its third form? Very good. Painted. And there is no other words here. So no other words will be used in this sentence. Then what we will use? By agent. The subject is my sister. Then we will use what? By my sister. Dear children, now change the voice of the second sentence. The workers are repairing the road now. Which one is the object of the sentence? Very good. The road. So what you will use in the beginning of the sentence of the passive voice? The road. Road is followed by what? Either am, is or are. Very good. Is. After is what you will use? Being. Then we will use being. And what is the main verb of the sentence? Repair. And what is its third form? Very good. Repaid. The road is being repaired. And which is the other word of the sentence? Very good. Now. And now followed by what? Then by agent. What you will use the by agent in the sentence? Very good. The workers. And now the passive sentence is, the road is being repaired now by the workers. In this manner, we can change the voice of the tense present progressive. Dear children, next, we will learn how to change its voice from active voice to passive voice in present perfect tense. See the passive pattern of the sentence. Object followed by has or have, then been followed by V3, then other words, then by agent. Now, change its voice of the sentence, Ajit has posted the letter. Very good. You see, the letter is the object of the sentence. Then we will use in the beginning of the sentence the letter. What you will use? Has or have? Very good. Has. Then what you will use after has or have? We will use been. Very good. Been. After been, what you will use? V3 of the verb. Here V3 has been given. Posted. Then we will use other words. There is no other words in the sentence. Then what you will use? Very good. By agent. So Ajit is the subject of the active voice. So by agent is by Ajit. Dear children, change the voice of the sentence. I have taken my breakfast. You find out the object of the sentence? Very good. My breakfast. So use in the beginning of the sentence, my breakfast. As breakfast is the uncountable noun, which verb is used? Has or have? Very good. Has. Then has followed by what here? Been. Very good. You will use been. As in the present perfect, V3 has already given, then we will use what? Very good. Taken. Then what you will use? Other words. In the sentence there is no other words, so no more required. Then what you will use? By agent. Very good. So you see, here I is the subject. As I is the subject, there is no more required to use by agent, because I is the personal pronoun, where I, we, you, he, she and they, these personal pronouns are used as a subject in the sentence. By agent is no more required. Children, listen mindfully. Present perfect progressive, past perfect progressive, modal progressive and modal perfect progressive have no passive forms. So in our next class, we will learn how to change the voice of past tense. Thank you. Bye bye.